originally went up to Dagenham Kent Avenue and to Parkside Hotel in Romford. Buses began running the original routes in May 1950. In October that year, buses got an extension of the route to reach Harold Hill from Romford. In February 1952, the route got extended to Goose Drive from Myrtle Road. In January 1958, services in the peak on weekdays got an extension to reach Full Dagenham and brought an express service between Romford and Goose Drive in Harold Hill. In August that year, buses replaced Route 238 by making journeys to Noak Hill from Mondays to Saturdays. Later that year, in November, buses started making daily journeys to Full Dagenham. Services for Noak Hill, sorry for my pronunciation on that, was reduced to only school times in April 1974. In July 1977, the express service got withdrawn. In May 1980, the route got diverted via Old Church Hospital and the journeys to Noak Hill, sorry for my pronunciation again, got withdrawn. In June 1986, they brought back the express service for Saturdays, but the trips to Full Dagenham during weekends got withdrawn. The route got changed in February 1987 to serve Romford bus station. The school journeys were diverted in February 1988 to serve Gideon Park station. The express service got withdrawn in September 1990. The route between Dagenham Kent Avenue and Full Dagenham got withdrawn in June 2002. Come September 2003, the services running from Mondays to Saturdays got extended from Kent Avenue in Dagenham to Marsh Way, CEME. In October 2005, the route got altered to reach Harold Hill, Dagenham Park Drive instead of serving Noak Hill. In March 2011, one of my favourite buses, I have to say, which is the Alexander ALX 400 bodied Dennis Trenants, got replaced by another favourite bus of mine, the Alexander Dennis Evro 400, which got replaced by Evro 400 City EV bodied BYD D8UR-DDs. I believe those type of buses are on the 106, another favourite type of my buses, all the other ones that are doing the 106. There is a plan to replace those buses with the right street deck Electroliner EVs from October this year, 2025 to 2025 to be correct. Bonson 4 now operates from Bean Park, Marshallway Industrial Area and Harold Hill, Dagenham Park Square via Dagenham Heathway, Romford and Gallows Corner. If you've ridden on both London bus routes 106 and 104, you will notice that they both go around in a circle. 174 is one of my favourite London bus routes. Also the 106. It travels through a countryside between East Brooklyn and Barking and Dagenham College. It goes right after Uxlow Lane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I hope you have happy travels. 174 to Bean Park, Marshall Industrial Area. 174 to Romford Station. 174 to Dagenham Heathway. 174 to Gallows Corner.